Hi everyone, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is difference between let and where keyword part 2. Where will break the block scope principle, whereas let does not break the block scope principle. Okay, where will break the block scope principle? This leads to global polluting problem or memory leakage. Let will not break the block scope principle. Go to Visual Studio Code. Let us check with one example. Add new file. Where let difference .js. Okay, now function scope variables. Okay, where a equals to 1000, where let b equals to 2000. Okay, block scope variables. Okay, where c equals to 3000, let d equals to 4000. Okay, now next console.log of a. Console.log of b. Console.log of c. Console.log of c. Console.log of d. Okay, now save the file. Control S. Go to the terminal command prompt. Node space file name. Where let difference. .js is optional. If you want, you can include or you can execute like this. See here, the a value is 1000, b value is 2000, c value is 3000, but d is not defined. Outside the block, d value is not defined. Why? Because the keyword is let. Okay, let us go to Notepad. See, let will not break the block scope principle. If we declare any variable within the block, the life and the scope of the variable exists within the block. Outside the block, the value does not exist. Variable declared inside the block is available outside the block. If the variable declared inside the block is available outside the block, then it leads to global polluting problem or memory leakage. Okay, we'll copy this code here. Just Control A, Control C. Here we'll copy Control V. Okay, next difference. Where allow variable redeclaration. Let does not allow variable redeclaration. Okay, go to VS Code, add one new file. Where let difference 1.js. Okay, where will allow variable redeclaration. Let will not allow variable redeclaration. Let us check it. Where a equals to 100, console.log of a, console.log of okay, then where equals to var a equals to 300. Console dot log of a. Save the changes, control S. Here first we are initializing a value as 100, then we are initializing a value as 300. So var is accepting both the values. Okay. Go to the terminal, CLS. See, first a value is 100, then a value is 300. This is known as redeclaration. Val is allowing redeclaration. Var keyword is allowing redeclaration, but let does not allow. Just select this, control / to make this as comment. Then next, we'll check with let a equals to 100, console.log of a. Then let a equals to 300, console.log of a. Okay, now let us save this, control S. Then go to the terminal. See, a has already been declared. So let is not accepting the variable redeclaration. A has already been declared. Okay. Control A, control C. Okay, I'll copy paste here. Then once again, control V. Here we'll change to var. Okay, var is accepting the variable redeclaration, whereas let is not accepting the variable redeclaration. This is the fourth difference. Now next, var will has variable hosting problem. Let will not have variable hosting problem. Okay, what is variable hosting problem? We'll check it now. Let us go to Visual Studio Code Editor, add a new file. Add a new file by the name varlet difference2.js. Okay. Then console.log of a, then var a equals to 100. Here console.log of a. What will be the a value here? Here the a value is undefined. Okay. A value is undefined. Here the a value is, again we'll write console.log of console.log of a. Okay, here the a value is 100. Okay. The same thing you will do with the let. Select this, control A, control / and same thing we'll do with let console.log of let will does not allow. Okay, let will not allow this. let a equals to 100 console dot log of a. Okay. First, initially the a value is not defined. This type of problem is known as variable hosting problem. We'll clear this terminal CLS, then go to the var difference to. Okay, save the file. I did not save. Control S. Save the file, then execute. See, cannot access a before initialization. Using let keyword, it is throwing an error that a cannot be accessed before initialization. Same thing will execute, will uncomment this. Okay. We'll comment let keyword and we'll uncomment the var keyword. Okay, I'll comment this control /. Then save the file, Control S. Go to the terminal, node space file name. See, first undefined, then 100. Console.log is undefined, then console.log of a is 100. This type of problem is known as variable hosting. Okay, without initialization also, variables are accepted in var keyword. Okay, var will have variable hosting problem, let will not have variable hosting problem. Okay, initially it is undefined, then the value of a is 100. But using let keyword, it's not allowing to use the variable without initialization. What is the conclusion here? From ES6, it is recommended to go with let. Okay, from ECMAScript 6 version, it is recommended to go with let keyword. Let is introduced with ES6. Constant is also same like let. It is a block scope variable with fixed value. Okay, we can't change the value using constant. It is a fixed value. I hope you understood this concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.